Hello, from the i.MX Multimedia Applications Processor Division of Freescale, I am Lalan Mishra, i.MX System Solutions Manager and a Specialist. With the goal to accelerate your product development and reduce your launch to market timeframe, we are pleased to introduce our Smart Application Blueprint for Rapid Engineering, or SABRE platform, based on the state-of-the-art ARM Cortex-A8 system on chip i.MX53. Let me take you on a quick tour of the SABRE for tablet to get your system up and running with the Android operating system. To get it started, open the SABRE tablet box kit and inspect the items to ensure everything you need is present. The 15-volt power supply, the HDMI cable, SABRE tablet based on i.MX53, the DVD, the quick start guide, and the tablet debug board. Let me first introduce you to the interface elements of the tablet. The display on this tablet has a resolution of 1024 by 768 with integrated projective capacitive sensing, allowing multi-touch functionality. There is a 5-megapixel camera along with camera status LEDs. The ambient light sensor supports automatic brightness control of the LCD and helps to increase system runtime. The system has integrated diagnostic LEDs which provide the status of wireless modules, battery life, and external DC condition. The system has 4 capacitive buttons to support the most common navigation functions. The top edge of the system features external DC and SD card connectors. Volume up and down buttons facilitate easy volume control. The bottom edge contains the docking connector, which allows USB, VGA, and I2C interfaces. There are 2 built-in speakers to support integrated stereo audio playback. The right edge contains a power on, off, sleep, resume button, all combined in one, 3.5mm stereo audio jack, USB host port 1, USB host port 2, micro USB OTG port, mini HDMI port, and the debug board port. Your tablet is ready to launch Android without requiring any external media. Simply press and release the power button. Please wait for the normal power up sequence to be completed. The Android screen will appear in a few moments. Once the system has booted up, you are ready to interact with your device using the touch screen or other user interface elements. Let me show you how easy it is to connect to the internet using the built-in Wi-Fi radio. Once your configuration is complete and you are connected to a wireless hotspot, browsing the internet requires no additional steps. Simply open your browser and you are ready to navigate. To put your system in sleep mode, press and release the power button. While in sleep mode, pressing and releasing the power button will bring the system back to the normal operating mode. To turn your system off, simply keep the power button pressed for 6 to 7 seconds until the system shuts down completely. To use the debug UART, Ethernet, and/or JTAGs, simply connect the debug board like this. Now you can use an Ethernet cable if you want to use Ethernet or JTAG. In this particular illustration, I'm showing you how to use UART connection for the debug dump. This cable is already connected to this host PC. We make a connection right here and then turn on our device. The system does provide some development flexibility, which can be accessed by removing the back cover. Please refer to the Quick Start Guide for information on how to use the display expansion connector, the boot configuration, and development mode switches. The system does not come fitted with a SATA drive, though one may be connected using the SATA port. You may also use a mini PCIe 3G data modem through the data modem port connector. Please refer to the Quick Start Guide for detail. This completes the Quick Start tutorial on the SABRE for tablet based on i.MX53. As I have illustrated, you can get up and running in a matter of minutes. Freescale has created a complete ecosystem to enable you to build exciting products based on our i.MX53 platform. Coupled with our online support and free reference materials, including schematics, layout files, manuals, and BSP documentation, you have everything you need to develop your designs quickly and effectively. Thank you.